Alright, hey YouTube. I'm just showing off my buddy. He just showed me one of his detailing tricks, and I just want to show it off. It's kind of funny. You won't believe this, but if you look here, if you look at that, look how dried up and like gray. You know, it's just old and faded. And you want a good clean look. You want to bring it back to shine. I mean, here's a little example. He did half. Alright, look. You see that? That's shiny, and that is not. You want to know what he used? You're not gonna believe this. You're not really gonna believe it. I'm gonna show you right now. Freaking peanut butter. Look at that. I'm telling you, it's for real. It's just peanut butter. I mean, it's crazy. And look at him. Look at how it's looking. It's coming out. Look at that. Can you believe that? He smears it on there because it's oil based. It's peanut butter, which is oil based. And it's all natural too. So you just wipe it on, you know, do some elbow grease to it, and then freaking wipe it off. And look at that, day and night. Look, he already did the other side too. I know it's kind of dark out here. We didn't think I was gonna do a video, but you know, it's just crazy. Freaking peanut butter. And if you did like a second coat, could you imagine? Could you imagine how badass it would be? I just wanted to show that off. That is crazy. Thumbs up on that. Look at that. Dark and clean. And he says it'll last up to about 2 months. So, I mean, it's a cheap, affordable way to clean your trim. So, hands off to my buddy. Hands off to the peanut butter. You know what I'm saying? Show off that peanut butter again. Oh, yeah. Look at that. I'm for reals. Look. Grab it.
Peanut butter.
Just grab some out of the container and show them. Alright. Smear it on there. Look at that. Can you believe that? Freaking peanut butter. That'll last you up to 2 months. Huh. Alright guys. I'll catch you on the next one. So peace out.